welcome back to Cathay Outdoors. Down here, Duck River. Got 2 fishing posts stowed out, and he's about to backlash my dang bait caster.
Probably.
I'll get it hung up and lose my new chatterbait, or buzz bait. We'll see what happens. First fish of the season right here. I don't know what it is yet. Hopefully he didn't swallow it because I ain't got no pliers. Come on. Come on, kitty, kitty, kitty. First kitty of the season. Come on. About to turn him back go. Him or her. Good size eating. Let you get a little bigger.
I think he got off. Now I'm home. What the fuck? I know that some bitch moved the whole goddamn fucking pole.
He tangled up now. Well, he had one that got off. I'm fixing to finish tying that up and rebaiting it. And I'm gonna pull that other one up.
Maybe next time.
Y'all stay tuned in case he's on his way. We'll have the OG RC and Cathey Outdoors before I switch it to Cathay Outdoors here. I'm getting pecks and nibbles, and Casey's getting pecks and nibbles. We out here with hunting lights. He's the only one that got a hunting light. He films a little bit for us, but he cusses. And I'm trying to get that out of the channel because I got little kids that watch it. But most of my viewers are older people. But I know I do got a little bit of younger people that watch. But like I said, OG crew here when it was KC and RC Outdoors. And I switched it to Cathay Outdoors because it's on both of our last names, so I figured that would fit it better.
All 3 of our last names.
Well, three of us, but
That was before you were in the picture.
he wasn't ever a part of the channel.
Back in my day.
We're just out here shooting the crap, trying to catch some fish.
Trying to get some nookie.
Only caught that one fish. So we packed up around 10 o'clock and headed out. Like and subscribe and comment what y'all want to see next on here. And if the good Lord's willing and the creek don't rise, we'll see you in the next one.